cheap chandelier. Remember when Dad hung it there? And we would watch Rocky IV, the one where the Russians scored. I love Bridget Nielsen's hair. I'd call you my champion. Thought we had already won, and cracked open our last beer, falling asleep in our tears. Those Brooklyn nights set us free.